walang pagdinig ng Senado ukol sa Mamasapano incident. Sinabi ng nagbitiw na PNP Chief Director General Alan Purisima na walang ideya si Pangulong Aquino na itinuloy ang Oplan Exodus. Ngunit bukod kay Pangulong Aquino, hindi rin umano ipinaalam ang operasyon kina DILG Secretary Marojas at OIC PNP Chief Leonardo Espina.
Samantala, binusisi din sa investigasyon ng Senado ang naging koordinasyon sa pagitan ng AFP at PNP-SAF ukol sa naturang operasyon. Partikular na dito ang pagbibigay ng tulong ng AFP sa grupo ng SAF sa Mamasapano. Ang ulat mula kay Ria Fernandez.
Hindi na inabisuhan si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino nang ipagpatuloy ng PNP Special Action Force ang Oplan Exodus. Ang operasyong nauwi sa madugong bakbakan ng PNP SAF, MILF at BIFF na kumitil sa mahigit 250 tao. Ito ang inamin ni dating PNP Chief Director General Alan Purisima nang tanungin siya ni Senador Bongbong Marcos ukol sa kung sino ang nagbigay ng go signal para sa operasyon.
General Purisima, why did you say this? Why did you give this advice, as you like to characterize it, to General Napeñas na wag mo munang sabihin sa dalawa, ako nang bahala kay General Katapang?
Yes, Your Honor. The reason why I have said that is stated already yesterday, that it is in the design of their plan to inform everybody time on target, Your Honor.
Pero yung plano galing sa kanya, bakit kailangan mo ipaalala sa kanya yung sinabi niyang sa iyo na parte ng plano?
Yes, Your Honor, because
O ganito na lang, this came, you told him this after you met privately with the President. Ito bang pinag-usapan ninyo?
No, Your Honor.
Anong pinag-usapan ninyo?
It's something personal, Your Honor.
Okay, so this was not the subject of the discussion. This was not cleared with the President.
No, Your Honor.
This advice was not cleared with the President.
No, Your Honor.
Bukod sa Pangulo, hindi rin ipinaalam ang operasyon kina DILG Secretary Marojas at OIC PNP Chief Deputy Director General Leonardo Espina.
You, as a suspended member of as Chief PNP, were issuing orders to keep the acting Chief PNP in the dark on a very critical mission. Why did you feel that was necessary?
Your Honor, I did not give any orders. I gave advice to police.
Nevertheless, that advice, which we will use for the sake of consistency, that advice was nevertheless followed as an order, because the fact of the matter is General Espina was kept out of the loop. Also, the Secretary of the DILG was kept out of the loop. Why did you feel the need to give that advice?
For operational security purposes, Your
So
Honor.
you do not...
Ganito rin ang naging tugon ni ex-SAF Chief Director Getulio Napeñas na siyang nagbigay ng go signal na ipagpatuloy ang operasyon.
I'd like to cite the situation that the two occasions that I joined Police Director General Purisima for the mission update with the President. During those two occasions, I was never given any guidance that the mission is a no-go. In the same manner that maybe there are some people who would like to hear if there was really a direct order or a direct approval of the President for the mission to go. But there was none. That was really the truth. But then, yung pong dalawang okasyon na nagpunta ako doon, it could be interpreted on my part that there was an implied or a tacit approval.
Nagbigay naman ng saloobin si Rojas hinggil dito.
Nalaman ko itong issue ng koordinasyon ay hindi magiging issue. Sisiguraduhin ko, Secbolts, mga bata ko papasok sa alanganin. Dapat may gasolina niyang mga helicopter mo. Dapat may gasolina niyang mga armored personnel o tangke o kung ano pa. Dapat kung ano man ang mangyari, nakahanda tayo.
Kung mapapatunayang sinuway nga nila Purisima at Napeñas ang chain of command, usurpation of authority na isang criminal case ang maaaring harapin ng nooy suspendidong si Purisima, habang grave misconduct na kasong administratibo ang pwedeng ipataw kay Napeñas. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ria Fernandez.